Is for the 5th grade read and write assignment. Your partner should be on a screen that looks like this, and you're going to click on the document that has their name. Next, what you're going to do is click on the circle in the bottom left corner, and then in the search bar that appears, you're going to type the word web. Click on Web Store. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to type the word read, then hit Shift and 7, and then type the word write. And make sure that there are no spaces. So type it exactly as you see it and hit enter. And then what you're going to do is click on the first Add to Chrome button. Click on Add Extension. And then what you're going to do is click back over to the Read and Write document. And you're going to click on the Reload This Page button in the top left corner. So then when you reload and it finishes reloading, there should be a new little button that appears down there underneath the address bar. And what you're going to do is click on it, and then a window is going to pop up, and you want to click on your account and then click on Allow. And you're going to see that you have these new tools. You can hide them by clicking on the RW icon, so then you can see what was there before. Click on it again in order to make it appear. So what you're going to do next is click on this first button in the top left corner. And then you're going to click inside this space right here and start typing a sentence. So I'm just going to say, for example, the hippopotamus. And notice that it comes up with suggested words. Anyway, then what you're going to do is go back over to question 2, and it says, what does that button do? And the button basically predicts what you want to say. Next, what you're going to do is click on it to turn it off. So you can always click on something to turn it on and click on it a second time to turn it off. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the word bank. So you're just going to click with one finger and drag with the other finger to highlight it. And then you're going to click on the little book button. And then you're going to click on the button next to the book button. And so you can see that you have a word dictionary and a picture dictionary. So we're going to say, what do these buttons do? We can say the first is a dictionary and the second is a picture dictionary. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the next question, which you'll probably have to scroll down because we can't really see it. So then what you'll do is make sure your volume is turned up. So here's the volume button right next to the power button, and it's turned up. And we're going to highlight where it says highlight this sentence. So again, one finger down, drag with the other finger in order to highlight. And then we're going to click on this button right here. We can close out the dictionary too. So that button is right here. So we're going to go ahead and hit it.
Highlight this sentence.
Then click on the square to stop it. So what does this button do? This button reads what is on your screen. Next, what we're going to do is scroll down to the next question. The next question says, once you've clicked the headphone button, start speaking into the space below. So We're going to click inside that space, and then we're going to click on the little headphone button. Click on allow. And then start talking. Click it again to stop. So what does that button do? It types what you say. And then the last question, how does Read and Write help us to achieve equity in the classroom? We can say it allows people to use different tools depending on their needs. So one person might use the voice typing and another person might type with their keyboard, but either way we can use different tools depending on if somebody's a slow or a fast typer or needs something read to them. And then the last thing you'll do is click on the Turn In button up in the top right corner, and then click on Turn In when it appears, and that's it.